Hi guys, it's the Messy Sped Teacher. And in under 5 minutes, I'm going to show you a few tricks to spice up your Google Classroom topics. So, since I'm a special education teacher, one of the things that I like to do is make it as easy as possible for my students to find what we're doing in our virtual environment. One of the ways I do that is by organizing my topics correctly for them and with visual aids. So I use a visual aid, a number aid based on the order of our classes. I also use the number week that we're on and the calendar dates of the week. I'm going to show you today how to set up a topic just like this. Super easy and in under 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's get started. So you're going to go into your Google Classroom under Classwork and click on the Create button. From there, click on Topic. Your little topic box pops up, and you can add your emoji first if you want, or you can add your topic first. I like to add my emoji first, so I'm going to go to emojipedia.org or getemoji.com will work also, and I'm going to search the Emojipedia for science. It's going to give me all the science emojis that they have in their Emojipedia. I'm going to use the microscope for our science. So I click on it and then click copy. It's going to copy the emoji for me. And then all I have to do is go into my topic, right click my mouse and click paste, and my emoji pops up. And science is my fifth subject, so I'm going to put in number 5, the word science, week number 19, and the dates of week number 19. Click add, and then it's going to add it to the top of my stream. Okay, if I want it to move down, I can drag it down to the bottom underneath subject number 4, or I can click on the 3 dots and move it down one at a time or move it up. I hope you enjoyed this under 5-minute tutorial with the Messy Sped Teacher. See you later. Bye.